Let's start the Wednesday off right with this beautiful brand new BMW M3. This came in for PPF. It got a track package. That's the full front plus those rockers. And then it went over to ceramic, and right now it just got polished and it's waiting for the 8-year ceramic coating to get put on. And we'll take the wheels off, do the inside burr of the wheels and the brake calipers as well. This thing will be standing tall in the next couple hours. Beside that is a C8. Jimmy just did the coating on that on Monday. It's actually curing right now. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but this black paint is a mirror finish. The customer is gonna love it when he picks it up. It looks great. Then coming up to the PPF bay, we have this brand new Cayenne up here. This came from the factory with some PPF on the front of it. So the customer wanted to add a little bit more protection. So we added the rockers because you know that those are gonna get beat up during daily driving. So they just got those done. That's waiting to get over into the wash bay to get cleaned up. Beside it is this brand new Lexus. This is getting a full front bumper, full hood, both full fenders and both mirrors. And then it'll go over to Jimmy as well for a ceramic coating when they're done with it. Over in the prep bay, Aiden is getting this Wagoneer ready. We're doing full front bumper, the grill area, and just some odd pieces that the customer wants to add to get that extra protection. Over in the tint bay, Terrell's doing his thing, finishing up front windows on this truck. Coming outside, we got this brand new Cadillac V. We're gonna actually have two this week. This is the first one. This is getting a full gloss paint protection film wrap, tint all the way around, windshield protection, and a ceramic coating. Beside it is a good customer of ours. This actually got some PPF and ceramic in the past. This is here for its annual checkup. The guys are gonna get it in, wash it, clay it, iron decon bath it, make sure everything looks great, and then add a layer of ceramic boost to that. This one's fully protected down to even the box on the roof got paint protection film on it. Beside that is this GMC Denali. This is actually, the customer's getting ready to sell this to his niece, and the paint was a little scratched up from a other detail shop that tried to polish the paint. So he wanted it to look as perfect as he can for her. So we got it in here and Jimmy did a 2-step correction on this, getting all the scratches that he can out of it. The paint is looking fabulous as old as this car is. On this other side, we got an F-150. This is getting the 8-year premium coating on that as well. Beside it is a Corolla GR. This is actually from a dealership. The customer bought it and it has a flat white vinyl wrap on it, and he wants that removed because he wants the regular gloss white underneath. Beside the Corolla is an Explorer. This is full tint plus the sunroofs. Coming up front, we got this Challenger up here. This is actually a 1-of-1 50th anniversary in this color. I really like this color with the combo on the wheels. It looks great. Customer's in an accident, so we re-PPF'd the front bumper and the fender. He's actually getting ready to pick this up and drop off another Challenger, and we're gonna do PPF on his front bumper on that one as well. That's all we got here at LATROBE. Let's kick it over to Gibsonia and see what Luke's got going on.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Next in line for some paint protection film and ceramic coating is the 7 Series. This is in for a full body 8mm paint protection film wrap and a 4-year ceramic coating. Also in for some paint protection film is this Jeep Wrangler. This is the America 250 edition, so it's a pretty unique spec here. Because of that, it comes with these one-off decals, which we will be going around in our 8mm PPF. This is getting the grille, all 4 fender flares, and the entire hood in our 8mm PPF. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on another Wrangler. This is in for a full polish and 8-year ceramic coating. We got a big boy in the tint bay here. We got Cole and Andrew working on this vehicle. This is a Mercedes Sprinter. This is getting tint on the 4 front windows, the 2 stationary windows, and the 2 roll-up windows. In the wash bay, we have a 911. This is in for some PPF replacements. This was installed by another shop, and unfortunately, the front bumper and the rear spoiler had some areas that were lifting, so we're gonna be taking off that PPF and reapplying some new XPEL PPF. Back in the PPF bay, we have a couple vehicles getting some work done. First up, we got Patrick and Steve working on this Chevy Tahoe. This is getting a track package along with a wear and tear kit. Next to the Tahoe, we got Austin doing the final touches on the Z3M Roadster. Again, this is a full bulk, full custom job on the full front and rocker panel areas. Outside, we have 3 completed tint jobs. First up is the Z71 Silverado. This got 15% on the 2 front windows. Next to that is the Nissan Rogue. This got a full tint job. We did the sides and rear in net 5%, along with a 5% visor. And last but not least, the Raptor. This also got net 5%, meaning we're gonna do the 2 front windows in 5% and layer the back windows in 20, so the whole thing is even at a solid 5%. Another Porsche in the shop here from Audi Porsche Swickley is this Cayman S. This is in to get the entire front bumper protected and our 8mm paint protection film. Another completed tint job here on this Dodge Challenger. This got 15% tint on all the side windows and the back window.
Today I'm at this beautiful house in Greentree installing Clearview Alloy 40 on a couple of the larger windows, like this Palladian above the front door and these 2 trapezoids on the backside. They were letting in an excessive amount of heat and also making it easy to see into the house. So our customer asked us to put something on with a little bit of sheen to block as much heat as possible so the thermostat stops running crazy in this hot weather. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.
What's going on, everybody? It's Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Washington shop. Outside, we have this 2022 Honda Civic. This customer got our Prime XR on all the side windows and back glass, and 15%, and then a 55% windshield in XR as well. Next to the Honda is this 2026 Subaru WRX. This customer got the front bumper protected in our 8mm paint protection film, and it's sitting outside waiting to get our CS 20% put on all the side windows and back glass. Next to the WRX, we have this 21 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This customer went for 20% in our CS line on all side windows and back glass. In our tint bay, we have Brandon and Zach working on this 2026 GMC 3500. This customer is getting the front 2 windows tinted to match a factory tint in our XR line, and then a 5% visor. In the PPF bay, we have Austin working on this beautiful green Raptor R. This customer is transforming the paint to a stealth finish. It's gonna look really good when it's all wrapped up. Next to the Raptor, we have Max working on this 26 F-150. This customer is getting the track package done, so the front end and then the rocker panels. And he's also getting an 8-year ceramic coating afterwards. And then back in the shop, we have this 26 Mercedes AMG. This customer got a full stealth wrap done by us probably about a month ago. It's back in now to get a ceramic coating, and we'll see a couple other of their vehicles as well.